Lancaster County.
You're going to see what I'm talking about here. So if you look at the front and its orientation, say 10 a.m. in the morning, it's pushing a whole line of storms eastbound here. Right in there again, some of those storms.
Southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska,
From Dallas through the low country, so it's be on the hook for that. But you're future radar. You're going to see what I'm talking about here. So if you look at the front and its orientation, it's 10 a.m. It's pushing a whole line of storms eastbound here. Right in there again, some of those storms we got very shallow. To be looking to stay where you're going to see today. We're also here. We'll see a little bit weaker, starts to get a little bit more distracted in the front edge down. Like this. Tomorrow,
severe thunderstorm will be near. Around 7:15 p.m. 5 p.m. for the Portland around 7:20 p.m. Firth around 7:25 p.m. Hickman and Wicca around 7:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Bennett. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Otoe, and Saline.
Otoe and Saline. Okay, let's do alert number 3 for my county, Lancaster County.
Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saline, and Seward.
Aha! Found it!
Seward, South Central Butler, and Northwestern Saline counties. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Seward. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, southwestern Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, northern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska until 7:45 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Pickle and 8 miles northwest of Beatrice, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-sized hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law-reported half-dollar-sized hail east of Fairbury at 6:55 p.m. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pickle around 7:15 p.m. Portland around 7:20 p.m. Firth around 7:25 p.m. Hickman and Wicca around 7:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Bennett. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Otoe, and Saline. Southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Johnson County.
police. And he's thrown everyone into trucks to help move them out.
Severe weather has been confirmed by law reported hail-sized Haley's family.
3 alerts on the TV.
I'm in a truck.
3 alerts on the TV. 3 alerts on the TV.
Save your battery. You could always have a couple more trucks.
Your thoughts on the 2026 election? Local races will determine national policy, from affordable housing to the economy.
That was 3 in a row.
This year's ballot has no shortage of important choices. Expect a News Plus to be your resource for ballots up to
So stay tuned.
the